Alright friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Comica smartphone video kit, and this is a CVM VM10K2 tripod with shotgun video microphone rig for iPhone or smartphone or whatever. Super cardioid, mini and light, support iOS and Android, flexible connection, CNC processing. Okay, solid and durable. Let's check it out, shall we? Okay, it's got one of these little sticky things on there. Try to open that up, shall we, if we can. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon. Get it for about $66. You can check that out. Okay. Comica makes a whole bunch of different accessories for your cell phone and the microphone type stuff. Okay, in here we have a cool little bag. Now that's pretty nice. Quite professional looking. Okay, nice little Comica logo there. It's got a little handle, dual zippers. Let's open up this bad boy, shall we? Cool little kit. It's a nice little bonus. Alright, in here we got a whole bunch of stuff. Throw away, do not eat the silica gel. Okay, we don't want that. In the top we have Comica warranty instructions. What kind of warranty they got on these things? Blah blah blah. Repair for ETPC warranty card. Oh, I can't tell right away. Probably about a year, I would guess. Okay, and Comica authorized dealer card. Oh my. User manual. It's quite thick. Hopefully, it's in multiple languages and not just all that. Some thick instructions can be kind of overwhelming. Alright, so what do we got here in the little top part? Two different little cubbies. Let's see, we have the nice wind cover, and also we have, I need my other hand in here. Okay, here is the audio jack for your cell phone. Put that back in there. Okay, next we have a tripod. What does this look like? Oh, I'm trying to think. This reminds me of like a robot movie. It was some kind of a thing that came out of the sky, I believe, with its little legs and landing on the ground. It looks pretty futuristic. It's like kind of a softer plastic. Let's see, so this screw here, is that a screw or no, it's not a screw. What is it? Just a little tab here. Can't push it in. Maybe I shouldn't mess with it too much there. It's not so screwable. Does this adjust or not? Alright, I don't want to break stuff. Maybe I should leave that for the review. I'm going to be doing a review and demonstration later. This is just the unboxing, but I kind of like to mess with stuff a little bit. Anyway, that is the tripod. Set that off to the side. Okay. Here is the microphone, and it has a nice little screw there in the base. You can, this is appears to be some kind of a little rigid plastic holder there, goes on there. And also we have this device. Okay, how does this work here? This is to hold the phone, I'm assuming. Okay. Okay, this screws up and down. So you put your phone in there and you can lock this down with the screwing. It's kind of nice about this, well, I do have a phone right here. I'm going to show you guys that real quick, I guess. So I have a Google Pixel XL, so this needs to come out quite a bit, looks like. Okay. Now this is appears to be some pretty rugged plastic as well. In the top and bottom, it's covered with a silicone type material, and that will allow you to hold the phone without jostling it around. Okay, that should be big enough now. Still not. No? Okay. Maybe my phone's too big with the case. I don't know. I might need to take it out of the case, but we'll see. Appears to be still going up here. Alright. No, it's got it. Alright, that's cool. Cinch it down here a little bit. And it's got my phone. Okay, so I like how it's nice and narrow. Some are like the ones that you have to hold and pull up. They're okay. I kind of like the screw idea. It's pretty cool. Alright, so it's going to go something like this. You put your tripod on there. Screw that down on there. Okay. And you got your tripod there as well. Something like that. It also, you can hold it like this if you want to, and walk around with that on there like that. Okay. And least but not last, we can put our microphone right up on here, and it just slides right into this part here. This is turning out to be more of a demonstration than just the unboxing, but it's okay. Okay, and that can slide in there. We can adjust that and then tighten it down. Oh, let's move it around backwards actually, so we have our microphone facing forward. And it's going to be something like that. So that's pretty cool. You can turn your phone around too if you want, or turn this around and have the microphone pointing. Yeah, actually have it the right way. Anyways, something like that, so you can see what you're recording. Alright, my friends, that is it for this unboxing. I will be doing a further review, testing out the microphone and other things as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you next time when we check out the review. You guys have a good day out there.